Assalamualaikum friends, available now in Pakistan Samsung Galaxy A32 with present video full specifications. Samsung Galaxy A32 specification. The Galaxy A32 accessories model space features the theme, ringtones, wallpapers, the post comments about Samsung Galaxy A32 launch release date announced, not yet announced. Status expect launched on October 22, 2020 in Pakistan. Network technology GSM Haspa LTE 2G network regular technology 3G network regular technology 4G network regular technology and update with updating speed 3G Haspa 4G LTE. Yes, GPRS mobile as mobile bodies dominances and byte and dual SIM. Yes, dual SIM mobiles, dual SIM, dual standby, nano SIM, display, tap, Super AMOLED compatible touch screen, 16 colors, size 6.44 inches, resolution 1080 multiple 2400 pixels, multi-touch yes platform, OS Android 10 OS CPU, octa-core best technology, updating chipset Samsung Galaxy 7 Octa 7904, GPU Mali G71 MP2, memory internal 128 GB, multi in 6 GB RAM, card solid micro SD card, super sports up to 512 GB, mobile with memory card, main camera for 48 MP front wide, PDF 8 MB front ultra wide, 5 MB macro, 5 MB depth, lead flash 48 MP, mobile camera, mobiles feature geo tagging, touch focus, face dedication, panorama IDR video, amply protected self camera, single 20 MP front 2.2 wide HDR video, amply protected sound, alert tape, vibration MP3, wave ringtones, loudspeaker yes, 3.5 mm jack yes, MP3 wave, active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, data communications, WLAN, Wi-Fi, regular technology, dual band, Wi-Fi direct hotspot, WLAN, mobile Bluetooth available, V5.0 with A2D lead Bluetooth mobile, GPS yes plus a GPS port and glances VDS, Galileo, NFC, yes, radio, FM radio, USB available, dot 2.0 Type C 1.0 Rebel connectors, USB mobiles, features, sensors, accelerometers, compass, fingerprint under display, optical gyro approximators, messaging, SMS, MMS, email, internet, message, aiming, push mail, SMS, threaded view browser, HTML5, internet, mobile phones, colors, various entertainment, MP3 wave, WMA, players, MP4, WMA, H.265 players, speaker, torch, yes, photo, video editor, document viewer, games, game bullet, N plus, download available, mobile with FM radio, battery, LiPo not movable, 5000 mAh fast battery charging, expected rate PKR in Pakistan 30,600 price. Please subscribe my channel.